Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Job Updates Bro. Today we have brought some updates from 4 big companies that are Amazon, Dell Technologies, Infosys and Entity Data. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I don't want you to miss even a single update. Let's get started with our very first, and this one is a huge opportunity especially for students, and it is the program from Amazon called Amazon ML Summer School 2026, and it is a structured machine learning program designed and delivered by Amazon's own ML scientists. Now let's talk about who can apply. You must be an engineering student currently enrolled in bachelor's, master or PhD degree from any recognized institute in India. The key eligibility condition here is your graduation year. You must be from 2027 or 2028. So if you are from 27 or 28 passing out batch, this program is made for you. Now let me tell you about the selection process, because this one has 3 clear rounds. The first round is resume submission and the second round is statement of purpose, where you need to write 500 words about yourself and your interest in ML. And the third round is 60 minutes selection test with multiple choice questions. So make sure you prepare your resume well and write a strong SOP and brush up with your basics of ML for the MCQ test. And the last date to apply is June 14, 2026. I repeat, the last date is June 14, 2026 is the deadline. So you have a very limited time left. So please apply immediately after watching this video. Do not delay even a single hour on this one. Now let's move to our second update, and this one is from Dell Technologies, one of the biggest and most respected tech companies in the world. Dell Technologies is hiring for the role of apprentice under their LabOps team, and the location is Bangalore. This is a full-time position with a day shift schedule. The duration of this apprenticeship is 12 months, meaning you will get 1 full year of on-the-job training and the hands-on experience at Dell Technologies. Coming to the eligibility, you must have a BE or BTech degree in CSIT or equivalent discipline. No prior experience is required for this role. So freshers can apply for this role as soon as possible. And coming to our third update, that is from Infosys. Infosys is currently hiring for the role of mainframe developer under their application development and maintenance service line. The experience required for this role is 0 to 4 years, which means both freshers with 0 experience and candidates with up to 4 years of experience can apply. This is a wide window, so lot of you watching right now are eligible. Coming to the educational qualifications, you can apply if you are from BE, BTech, BSc, BCA, MTech, MSc and MCA. So if you are from these branches, you can apply as soon as possible. Infosys is one of the biggest IT companies in India, and a mainframe developer role here is a solid career move, especially if you have any background or interest in mainframe technologies. So go ahead and write apply. And now our final update of today's video. This is from Entity Data. They are hiring for the role of backend engineer. The location for this role is New Delhi, and it is a full-time opportunity. Coming to the qualifications, you must have a bachelor's degree or equivalent in CS, IT or related branches. Now there are 2 preferred certifications mentioned for this role. Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamental Certification is preferred, and relevant Agile certifications are also preferred. And if you are interested with this role, go through the job description thoroughly and apply it as soon as possible. All the job descriptions for Amazon, Infosys, Entity Data and Dell Technologies are mentioned right there in the video description below this video. Just scroll down and click on the respective links and apply directly from the company's official portal. Apply as soon as possible, because this can close at any time. If this video helped you or gave even one single useful update today, please like and subscribe our channel Job Updates Pro for more latest job updates. Thank you so much for watching, and see you all in the next video.